The primary sources that I would use are web-based, and you have to be careful, when you're searching, Googling cancers and melanomas, and you're going to get a lot of outdated information if you don't go to the right place. The two sources that I would tend to use after, sort of initially being thrust into this world of melanoma and not knowing at all where to look. The Melanoma Research Foundation has a website, I think it's melanoma.org, that has a patient forum. It's one of those things where you first start to read and people are using terminology and you have no idea what they're talking about. But it's one of those things where as you immerse yourself and you spend however much time after not that much time, a couple days, couple weeks, whatever, you quickly get up to speed on sort of what's out there and what people are talking about. The other source that I found helpful is the Melanoma International Foundation. Also has a website, and again, focusing on patient forums. You get a lot of good information, and you quickly can kind of, after spending a little time, sort of see which patients tend to have the good information and which patients, if they are even patients, have information that's not as good. And I found those two sources to be sort of the best initial sources.